Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafael De Pratama. My name is 254070039. Today, I will present how to create citation use the Mendeley Reference Manager. In this presentation, I will demonstrate how to cite different types of source, include journal article, conference proceeding, YouTube video, thesis, web page, book, and paragraph content. Mendeley is a reference manager that help us organizing source, insert citation, and automatic generate bibliographies. Use Mendeley makes academic writing easier, faster, and more accurate. In this presentation, I will show you step by step how to import reference and how Mendeley generate citation in Microsoft Word. To cite a journal article in Mendeley, open Mendeley in Reference Manager. And click add new. And add entry manually. This is and choose journal article. To find a journal article, we will find in Chrome. Journal article PDF. Find the article what you want. Okay, back to Mendeley and add. Choose journal PDF and open. Open and column. Add entry manually, journal article and title. Providing social support may be more beneficial than this. Copy and back to Mendeley and paste in journal. For author Stephanie L. Brown, for M. Smith. Journal, nothing journal. Yours column. Short text. Yours. 203. Volume, page, issue. Egg page. Abstract. This abstract study examines and to graffiti. Copy and back to Mendeley again and pass in abstract. Tag outer keyword, let's check it. Scroll again. Nothing auto keyword, and the link, click link and copy it in. And save. And conference presentation, to cite in conference proceeding, add new entry and choose conference proceeding. To find conference proceeding, find in the Chrome again, conference trading akutan. Wait. Why he's not open? Nah, this is back to Mendeley and add new entry. See this manual, journal, article, yes. For title, kontribusi pajak. Copy into Mendeley again, paste. For author Anissa Rizky Mubarok. Anissa Rizky Mubarok. Anissa Rizky Mubarok. journal and years in 223 volume nothing abstract is abstract and the language Indonesian. Again, okay, an outer keyword, okay. For link, this is and save. YouTube video, for YouTube video citation, one, open the YouTube, of course. YouTube, sis debit and credit.
Jual produk senilai 100.000. Berarti jurnal penonton gitu soal. Yang masih pikir kalau debit itu
In Mendeley, just web page.
salah ya. Anggap bisnismu jual produk senilai 100.000. Berarti jurnal pencatatan
Add entry manually.
yang masih pikir kalau debit itu nambah duit dan kredit itu kurang duit.
Again, di
Salah
type,
ya. Jadi
in
nonton
type
video ini sampai
and
habis
find a web
biar
page
kamu
and
yang
click
belum pernah belajar accounting
vertical
bisa
in the
dapat.
YouTube.
Let's go. Pas aku pertama kali belajar tentang keuangan bisnis, jujur konsep yang paling membingungkan
What's
buat
it,
aku itu
debit and
dan
credit in
Nah,
accounting
buat orang accounting gampang banget ya
and
ngertinya.
business.
Padahal itu kan basic accounting gitu soalnya. Tapi buat orang yang pemula atau yang orang awam, itu konsep itu pasti membingungkan. Biar
Pas
kamu bisa
in
paham tentang debit dan kredit dengan baik,
title
kita
and
harus
author,
bongkar dulu
author in the
beberapa
YouTube,
mitos.
who's
Oke, yang pertama,
my God
debit
is
dan kredit
Kelly
itu nggak ada yang
Patricia.
baik atau yang buruk. Banyak banget orang yang salah paham dan mereka pikir kalau debit itu baik dan kredit itu buruk. Padahal dua-duanya itu cuma istilah
Kelly
keuangan aja gitu, yang which is netral kayak gitu. Nah, kenapa bisa ada pemikiran seperti ini? Karena untuk
Tricia.
kebanyakan orang awam, mereka bakal coba untuk memahami debit kredit menggunakan
This is right.
perumpamaan kartu debit dengan kartu kredit. Nah, kalau kartu debit maksudnya,
Tricia.
kalau kartu debit kan tabungan kita gitu kan, makanya orang bisa pikir kalau debit itu baik. Sedangkan kalau kartu kredit ya,
Tricia.
dia kan kartu utang gitu, makanya orang pikir, berarti kredit
Okay,
itu
and
buruk.
publication.
Padahal nggak begitu. Memang ya, kalau dalam konteks tabungan bank, tabungan kita itu posisinya ada di debit dan utang kita posisinya ada di kredit.
to the
Tapi
years
tahukah
in
kamu
one.
kalau sales atau penjualan bisnis itu nambahnya di kredit? Jadi siapa bilang kalau kredit itu buruk?
Page
Mitos
nothing
yang kedua,
abstract text,
debit dan kredit
author
itu
keyword,
bukan nambah
nothing,
uang.
and URL.
Sebenarnya debit dan kredit
Link
itu
in
dua-duanya
YouTube,
bisa nambah
click
dan
link,
dua-duanya juga bisa
copy.
berkurang. Ada beberapa hal
Back
yang
to
nambahnya
Mendeley.
itu di debit dan
And
kalau berkurang
plus.
di kredit. Dalam kata lain,
Okay.
namanya itu posisi normalnya di debit. Contohnya
And
cash.
save.
Tapi ada juga beberapa hal yang nambahnya itu di kredit
Thesis
dan
citation.
berkurangnya itu di debit.
Good.
Atau dalam kata lain, posisi normalnya itu di
Thesis
kredit.
citation.
Contohnya,
To
hutang
cite a
dan
studied
modal
thesis
lunas. Debit dan
or
kredit
the
itu sebenarnya
dissertation
seperti dua sisi dari koin yang sama gitu. Jadi
and
saling
for
bertolak
one,
belakang,
find a
saling
thesis
berhubungan.
you on your thesis PDF final complete PDF final complete thesis this is all. Back to Mendeley and add entry manually. Scroll again, click in web pack and title copy, paste again. For author is Shashank Pendi. Copy and back to Mendeley again and paste again. Publication Kathmandu University. The years is 204 and page. How much this page? 774. Abstract for the abstract. Scroll again. Certificate abstract. Test the abstract. Copy all the abstract. Copy abstract, salin, copy and paste. Text, author keyword. Let's find the author keyword. Author keyword. Nothing author keyword. That send URL for the link. Copy again. Copy and paste again and save. And web page citation. Web citation include the author, organization, publication, date, title of the page in italic, name of the website, and the URL for in-text citation. Use the author and years if a web page has no author. Use the organization name if there is no date. And book citation. Mendeley offer two types of book citation. Google Book. Search the book. Search the book on Google Book. Google Book. Click the book. And find and choose your favorite book in there. I will choose CD in Hard Air. Okay. And back to Mendeley and add entry manually. In the type, click the book. This book for the title Hard Air. Hard Air author. Scroll and this is the author, Scott Olsen. W W. Scott. W. Scott Olsen. That's it. The years in 208. In the page, have to this the page. Tebal. Page in abstract. This book not have abstract. And text author keyword. Nah, not have author keyword. City edition dan editor. City edition editor. Is editor the label journal SNS Speed Travel Nebraska and Graffiti in English. City in English. English editors. For editors Minnesota. Minnesota. Publisher. For publisher, thesis U of Nebraska Press. Copy and pass in publisher. For the link, do it again. And save. And Mendeley offer 2 types of book and 1 hard copy book. Same step, but manually enter information from the physical book. Type in book. Title is Always Waiting. And the author is Brian Kreisner. Krishna. The years 225. The page have Abstract nothing, text nothing, author keyword nothing, city in Jakarta. Jakarta edition and editor, edition nothing, and editor editor Linda Irawati. Linda Irawati. And publisher, the publisher is Gramedia Widi Sarana. Gramedia Widi Sarana. Widi Sarana. URL nothing and save. Okay. Paragraph with Mendeley. Mendeley is the reference management software that help user organize, cite, and share academic research. User can create a personal library of reference and use Mendeley site to seamlessly insert citation and generate bibliographies within a document such as a Microsoft Word file. It simplifies the workflow by allow real-time collaboration and automatic sign across device. That is my presentation on how to create citation using Mendeley for various type of source. I hope this help you understand how to use Mendeley effective in academic writing. Thanks for watching.